Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to make a list on Google Docs. Please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To create any list, select an empty row, select the type of list here on the ribbon and type the first item. New items in the list are added in the same way as new paragraphs, by pressing the Enter key at the end of the line of the last item. If you need to write a text after the list without creating a new item, press the Enter key twice. In Google Docs, we can create checklists, bulleted or numbered lists. Checklists resemble task lists. If you click in the square next to the list item, a check mark will appear in it, and the item itself will be crossed out. There is also another type of such lists without crossing out. The appearance of bulleted and numbered lists can be changed. To do this, place the cursor on any item in the list and click on the arrow to the right of the list button. For example, you can select Arabic or Roman numerals, dots, stars, or checkmarks. We can change the levels of the list. To do this, select the item that you want to move and click on the Increase Indent or Decrease Indent button on the toolbar. In numbered lists, you can reset the counter at any point and start numbering again. To do this, place the cursor on the item and right-click, and then select Restart Numbering. Then enter the required number and click OK. And if you right-click on the item number, a small menu opens in which you can change the type of list and other minor settings. And that's it, now we know them more.